Bueno, familia, déjame presentarles a Jalmo, la versión contemporánea.
Dear friends, we are in Potsdam area in Berlin, Germany. Today we are visiting the Sanssouci Park in Potsdam. This is one of Germany's most famous and beautiful historical landscapes. The park and its palaces are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, attracting visitors from around the world. It is a place where art, nature, and history meet together. The park spans over 700 acres and is a masterpiece of baroque and landscaped gardening. The heart of the park is this Sanssouci Palace. It is one of the most iconic symbols of Prussian history and European Rococo architecture. Built between 1745 and 1747, this intimate yet exquisite summer residence was the personal retreat of Frederick the Great, King of Prussia. The name Sanssouci means without worries, perfectly capturing the palace's intended purpose as a haven of tranquility. The terraced gardens below the palace are a masterpiece of landscape architecture. The 6 vineyard terraces descend gently, each lined with grapevines, fig trees, and classical statues. At the base of the terraces lies the great fountain, surrounded by mythological sculptures, forming the heart of the Baroque garden. The terraces lead the eye naturally up to the palace, emphasizing its central role in the design. Spanning over 700 acres, Sanssouci Park is a masterpiece of landscaping, where every corner tells a story. From the cascading Great Fountain to the tranquil Linden Avenue, the park's design invites you to lose yourself in its beauty. The gardens of Sanssouci are among the most breathtaking examples of European landscape design, embodying the vision of Frederick the Great. These meticulously curated grounds combine the order of Baroque gardening with the romanticism of English-style landscapes, creating an enchanting environment of beauty, symmetry, and serenity. Now we are walking towards the new palace. It is located at the western edge of Sanssouci Park, and it is a stunning representation of Prussian wealth and ambition. Built between 1763 and 1769, under the reign of Frederick the Great, it was intended as a display of the kingdom's power and resilience following the conclusion of the 7 Years' War. The palace's grand facade stretches over 200 meters, combining Baroque and Rococo elements with an emphasis on symmetry. A central dome crowned with a gilded figure of Fortuna dominates the structure, symbolizing good fortune and triumph. Over 400 statues, representing mythological and allegorical themes, adorn the roofline and terraces. This arcades and triumph arch of the new palace is a striking architectural feature that enhances the grandeur of the new palace within Sanssouci Park. This semicircular arcade, flanked by a triumphal arch, serves as a symbolic and functional connection between the palace and its auxiliary buildings, known as the communes. The structure perfectly embodies the baroque ideals of symmetry, grandeur, and artistic flourish. All these buildings are now belongs to the University of Potsdam, established in 1991. Next, we move to the Orangery Palace in the park, which is the last attraction for us during the tour. The Orangery Palace is a magnificent structure inspired by the elegance of Italian Renaissance villas. Built between 1851 and 1864 during the reign of King Frederick William IV of Prussia, it serves as a testament to his artistic vision and love for classical architecture. The palace was originally designed as a royal guest house and a winter refuge for exotic plants. The central building is flanked by two long colonnaded wings, creating a dramatic sense of scale and symmetry. A series of terraced gardens surround the palace, echoing the style of Italian Renaissance villas. Flower beds, fountains, and classical sculptures adorn these gardens, creating a tranquil and picturesque setting. As the day at Sanssouci Park comes to an end, it's time to say goodbye from this amazing environment. See you soon with another video on Beauty of the World. Safe travels!